Let's talk about how to find the equation of a line passing 2 points. We have here an example. Find the equation of a line that passes through the points 1, 2, -3, -1, and the traditional way is to find the slope first. The slope has the formula m is equals to the change in y over the change in x, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, our x1 is 1 and y1 is 2, and our x2 is -3 and our y2 is -1. So substitute, we have this -1 minus 2. This is the -1 and this is the -2 of the 2 here, and -1 corresponding to y2 and minus y1, which is 2, so -1 minus 2. Then for x, we have this -3 minus 1. Then simplifying, this is -3 over -4, and since negative and negative, so this is positive 3/4, and this is our slope. We can also change the order of the change in y and the change in x. We can have also as y1 minus y2 and x1 minus x2. So we substitute, we have this 2, the y1 minus -1, and this is the -1 over x1, which is 1 minus -3, and this is minus -3, and this is negative, 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 negative. This becomes positive, so 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, which is equals to the same answer as 3 over 4. From the Poinslow form, we have y minus y1 equals m times quantity x minus x1. M is the slope. So substitute. We have this one as y minus y1 equals 3 over 4 times quantity x minus x1. And we can also solve for the slope here using the 2-point formula, which is y minus y1 equals, instead of m, we are going to use the equivalent of m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times quantity x minus x1. So this is still the same as -1 minus 2 and -3 over -3 minus 1. And still the answer is 3 over 4. So substitute for the values of y1 and x1. So we have 2 here and 1 here. So distribute this 3 over 4 to x minus 1. So we have this y minus 2 equals 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4, 3/4. And we can transpose this one to the other side of the equation, to the right side. So we have y equals 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4 plus 2. And so that we can add this fraction here with this 2 here, we are going to make this 2 fraction, which is 8 over 4. So adding 3 over 4 plus 8 over 4 and add the numerator. This is negative and this is positive. So this equals to 5. Copy the denominator. So we have this positive 5 over 4. So we have y equals 3 over 4x plus 5 over 4. This follows the y equals mx plus b. And we can change this equation to the standard form by multiplying 4 to the left and the right side of the equation. So distribute this 4 here. 4y, 4 times y is 4y. This one will cancel. So this is equals to 4y equals 3x plus 5. And let's transpose this 3x to the other side of the equation. We have this 4y minus 3x equals 5. And we can move this 3x to the first term. So negative 3x plus 4y equals 5. And we can make this a positive. The first term can be positive. So we have this one multiplied by 1, negative 1. So this is equals to 3x minus 4y equals negative 5. And this is the standard form of a linear equation following the ax plus by equals c. Happens that our b is negative and our c is negative. And we can further make this the general form. This is the standard form, but we can make this as the general form by transposing 5 here. So this becomes positive 5. So 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals 0, following the ax plus by plus c equals 0, the general form of linear equation. Using this one, we can make the standard form. We can make, using this one, the standard form, we can transform this one into the intercept form by dividing both sides of the equation by negative 5. Here we have this one as x over negative 5 over 3 plus y over 5 over 4 equals 1. This follows the x over a plus y over b equals 1, the intercept form. And now let's graph. The first is first point 1, 2, and the second point negative 3, negative 1. Connecting these 2 points, we have this line. And it's amazing, from these 2 points, we come up with the point slope form, the 2-point formula, the slope intercept form, the standard form of linear equation, the general form, and the intercept form of linear equations.